Beneath this box lies the latest and greatest in Tyrant accessories. Behold, the BAG 3000!
This was one of Coco's projects when she worked for me.
Yes, but I put my own spin on it.
I've seen your spin. Your spin is dangerous.
Give me a chance to demonstrate.
You're bang on about the spin, Commandant.
But of course. Clean him up and get him back to work. I need that weapon. The Leaky Burrito is having their 3-for-1 sale tomorrow.
Which means triple the garbage in their dumpsters. I like how you think, Commandant.
Of course you do. Now go!
I will unlock your secret yet, BAG 3000.
Bad. Very bad. Gotta warn Abe. Ah! Danger! Sentry at 12 o'clock! This guy's good.
Here's the story. In the sewers, in the alleys, in the dumpsters, in those alleys, a war rages between two brothers. Ken controls the garbage with his army of rats. Abe leads a ragtag group of resistance fighters who, well, resist. There's Coco, and Nigel, and Madman. There's No Neck and Zitzy. They ain't cute. They ain't cuddly. They are urban vermin.
Thanks, Nige.
Anytime, my sweet blurry angel.
What was that?
Oh, nothing. I was just admiring your wrench. Yeah, it's so shiny and, wrenchy.
Smooth, my friend. Very smooth. The alley cat's looking good.
Yeah. She's a beast. 0 to 60 in 2.0 thanks to a revolutionary and environmentally friendly fruit juicer engine.
I've been followed! Our location has been compromised!
Who followed you? How many?
A sentry! He followed me back from Ken's base! He's a wily one. Ah! He's right behind you!
This is your wily sentry?
Look! I can do cartwheels!
Ken's hitting the Leaky Burrito tomorrow. That's Bean Night.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. He can't mess with Bean Night.
What did this weapon look like?
It had wires and tubes and a scary jack-in-the-box, and Zitzy called it the BAG 3000, and it made a humming sound like this.
Not good. So not good.
What's wrong?
During the dark years when I worked for Ken and his evil empire, I devised the most dangerous weapon known to vermin, the BAG 3000. I forged 12 for the rat lords of the forest, 3 for the lords of the northern dumpsters, 9 for the lords of the sewers, and I created one BAG 3000 to rule them all. But the one was evil incarnate. I had no choice but to cast it into the fiery volcano of doom!
Take me to the volcano, Coco.
Did I say volcano? I meant that I deleted the blueprints. Zitzy must have recovered them somehow.
What does BAG stand for?
Bust a gut. The weapon causes uncontrollable fits of laughter that can only be stopped by destroying it!
Laughter?
The United Federation considers the BAG 3000 to be a WMD.
A weapon of messy destruction?
We have to stop Zitzy. If we don't, first the Leaky Burrito falls, then the block vermin everywhere will be reduced to giggling balls of fur. This is no laughing matter.
Technically it is, you see.
Zitzy, have you figured out how to complete the laugh gizmo or whatever you call it?
These are highly complex algorithms on a magnitude unfathomable to the average vermin mind. This could take days, months, years.
Bean night is tomorrow!
It's all clear now. The schematics. I comprehend their complexity.
Oh, what do you see? Strange little fella.
Very.
So the only way we can stop Ken from ruining Bean Night is to stop Zitzy from acquiring sour candy?
Sour candy is more than just a tarty explosion of flavor. It's a source of rare chemicals, one of which powers the BAG 3000.
Well, don't worry. Between you, me, Madman, and Nige, we've got all the candy sectors covered.
So many delectable choices. What to eat? What to eat? Who am I kidding? Hit me with the fish and chips. Extra more, please.
Vermin everywhere. All potential candy thieves. Must keep eye on all of them. At the same time. What do we have here? Ha! I need backup, guys! I got a rogue squirrel heading down Barton!
Don't lose him, Madman!
Madman, what's the 20 on the suspect? Suspect last seen fleeing down Albany. Got ya!
This is your rogue squirrel?
Wait, not a cheat! Oh, my head hurts.
It's okay, ma'am. We don't want your coupons.
What? She was wearing a trench coat and a fedora.
Oh, that one got a pucker. Ah!
Where's Nigel?
Nigel, come in. Do you read?
So the dog looks at the skunk and barks, say it, don't spray it. Okay, zero sense of humor, but your fish and chips rule.
Nigel!
Ah? Oh, yes, sir. Reporting for duty, sir.
Did you see Zitzy and No Neck? They ran right by here.
No, sir?
Ugh! They escaped with the sour candy.
Did I ever tell you the one about the dog and the skunk who spits when he talks?
Fish and chips? You couldn't wait?
What? I was hungry.
How was it?
Out of this world.
Ugh!
Guys, Coco's right. My brother's got a fully functional BAG 3000. It's up to us to destroy it.
Ha! Are we gonna throw it in the volcano of doom?
How are we going to destroy it? We can't exactly storm Ken's base.
You said the BAG 3000 was classified as a WMD, right?
Right.
That's our ticket to the dance.
Evil Rat Army recruitment video take 12. Cut! Cut! I told you not to look into the camera! Off my set! You'll never work in this dump again! Hans Flix!
One more shot! This weapon is a work of art.
Well, it was nothing. Once I figured out the sour candy, I just...
Probably Coco's best design ever. Always pushing the limits of science, that one.
Well, the blueprints were hers, but I
She
came
was
up with
brilliant.
the second part
And
of
I hate
the
to admit it, but I miss her sometimes.
Abe is here, and he brought Hans Flicks.
What? They're outside now?
Yeah, Flicks wants to conduct a weapons inspection.
We have to hide the BAG 3000. But where? Hans finds everything.
No one panic. Zitzy's got an idea.
As the LWI, I thank you on behalf of the UFV for reporting this PTV, known as the BAG.
You're welcome, I think.
Oh, I'm sorry. LWI stands for Lead Weapons Inspector, UFV for United Federation of Vermin, and PTV for Possible Treaty Violation.
I got it. The scientific world uses similar acronyms and initialisms.
Yes. It BTMs to think that some scientists would stoop so low as to create WMDs.
BTM?
Boggles the mind.
Abe? Hans? Come in, come in. Young Ares and I have been expecting you. Say hello, Ares.
Oh, baby!
It's okay. I've got him.
I so appreciate your hospitality, but I must conduct my search. The UFV does not tolerate WMDs.
WMDs? Oh, my brother has such an active imagination. I possess no such thing.
You still haven't introduced me to Ares. Why the veil?
I'm protecting his identity so he can grow up free of my notoriety.
He's unusually quiet. Hasn't made a peep all night.
You never told me you were a ventriloquist.
Look, you've made your nephew cry.
Shame on me. But I think I know how to make the little guy stop crying. Drink up.
Enough! The BAG 3000 is around here somewhere.
And if it is, I will find it. Officially declare that there are no WMDs present in this base.
Hey, I'm a Hop fan too.
Can we not talk about the harp?
Thank you for clearing that up for us, Hans. I was glad to be of service. So long, drop by any time.
We did it!
That ventriloquism thing you did while you were drinking was unbelievable.
Very impressive.
Hello, I forgot to check one last place. For the love of composted food!
Disguising a WMD as a baby?
That's low, bro. Real low.
Hey, did anyone see the baby? I brought him my squeeze toy.
Give it up, Ken. This is over.
Over? But it's only just begun.
Oh, I've been reduced to a writhing mass of laughter.
Everyone out of here!
Roll it on the ground.
We're trapped.
Everybody in. Hey, where are the seatbelts?
I have dreams of trying to make people laugh like this.
You can make it a reality if you just work on your punchlines. And your delivery. And your timing.
This is all my fault. If I hadn't designed the BAG 3000, if I hadn't worked with Ken, well, this wouldn't be happening.
Pretty much.
Take my paw, and we'll travel back in time and change your past. All you have to do is spin really, really fast. 2007, 2006, 2005, 2004.
Coco, you can't change the past, but you can change the future.
And we're gonna help you. Now come here and give me a hug.
Pass on the hug.
Yeah, me too.
Don't worry, Coco. We've got your back. That's what we're here for. We'll hit my brother at B-Night, but first, we get him all riled up so he can't think straight.
How are you going to do that?
Hey, Brothers know how to get under one another's fur.
56, 65. Just tell me when to stop, Coco.
Zitzy, I need you to paint this thing a different color. I'm thinking marmalade orange.
I'm thinking you paint it yourself.
Oh, someone's fur is in a knot.
I am just as good a scientist as Coco. No, better. I mean, sure, she has a bushier tail and a stronger grasp of quantum physics, but What happened?
You were going to paint this marmalade orange for me?
Commandant! We received an urgent communique from your brother.
Dear bro, I fear that you suffer from delusions of grandeur.
Oh, please.
Unfortunately, you are nothing but a petty tyrant surrounded by mindless henchmen. For example, No Neck. I order you to flick my ear. Ouch! What did you do that for?
You ordered me.
I didn't. It was the letter. P.S. I bet you just crumpled up this letter. Ow! We'll settle this at the Leaky Burrito, big bro.
Main power! We want Leaky Burritos! Bring the beans!
Beans are good for the heart. Roll it on the ground.
His problem is now your problem.
Hey, bro! Ouch! The ear looks sore. Steady as she goes, Coco.
Coco.
For the last time, it's my invention, not Coco's!
Now, Coco!
Get them! Deploy the Ratapult! Oh no! Fire!
Incoming!
What are you doing? Time for you to do something useful. Stop that vehicle!
He's jammed in the steering wheel!
Then you all might want to brace yourselves!
That was a merry chase you led us on, brother.
Mary Chase? Who talks like that?
I feel like a burrito. Ooh, smell that? Do you know what that is?
A 6-inch black bean burrito with onions, lettuce, and green olives. No, black olives.
You know your specials. But no! That is the smell of power.
Take the beans, Ken. But whatever you do, free them!
So silly.
Ah, but they're so happy. And why should you care? In a few seconds, you won't have to worry.
Why?
Because I'll reduce all of you to a bunch of laughing furballs, and this whole war will finally be over!
Why?
Well, because you're my enemies, and then once you're gone, I'll have no enemies!
Why?
What do you mean, why? Oh, you have to be the most annoying skunk I've ever met! And you know what? Just for that, you get to go first!
My brain tickles.
It's overheating!
Why?
wrong!
Madman's mind caused the BAG 3000 to overload.
Madman's mind would cause a sandwich to explode.
Now that was kind of funny. Listen, before you faint,
You're a good scientist, Zitzi. But do the right thing just this once and destroy the blueprints for the BAG 3000, okay?
I told you we'd get through this.
Yeah, thanks.
so your evil past is behind you.
I feel so much better. I can't believe I just tied up the last loose end.
Well, almost. There is one more. I found it in Zitzi's lab when Hans was conducting his inspection.
Give me that!
Not a chance.
Ain't that so funny?
Come and get it.
Give it back! Oh, come on! Oh, I am so gonna get you!